Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn the quadratic formula together, step by step. Whenever a quadratic won't factor nicely on the SAT, this formula always works. Start with any quadratic written as ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Then x equals negative b, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. Memorize it. It solves every quadratic. The part under the square root, b squared minus 4ac, is called the discriminant. It tells you how many real solutions to expect before you finish. If it's positive, there are 2. If it's exactly 0, there's 1. And if it's negative, there are no real solutions. The SAT loves to test this. Let's solve x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Here a is 1, b is negative 5, and c is 6. Plug in. X equals 5 plus or minus the square root of 25 minus 24 over 2. That's 5 plus or minus 1 over 2. So x is 3 or x is 2. Done. Now a tougher one. 2x squared plus 4x minus 6 equals 0. So a is 2, b is 4, c is negative 6. Negative b is negative 4. Under the root, 16 minus 4 times 2 times negative 6. That's 16 plus 48, which is 64. The square root of 64 is 8. So x equals negative 4 plus or minus 8 over 4. That gives x equals 1, or x equals negative 3. So here's your game plan on test day. 1. Rewrite the equation in standard form. 2. Identify A, B, and C, and watch those negative signs. That's where most points are lost. 3. Plug into the formula. 4. Simplify the square root, then solve. Practice this until it's automatic. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.